that, yeah. Been that, still that, will forever be that, yeah. I'm the hood Mona Lisa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a nice goldeny goddess. I'm going to use the Amrezy palette and I'm going to go with the first shade, which is New Yucca Honey. I'm going to put that in my crease and I'm just going to blend and blend and blend. I must say, Anastasia, I am very much pleased with this palette. The pigments is very, very nice. This is another palette I love almost as much as the Soft Glam. The next shade I'm going to go in with is 1988. I'm going to put that in my outer corner and then I'm going to blend that upward into my crease and then blend those two together, define my crease. Do the same thing on the other side. Using yoga in my outer corner and blending it upward. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with BK in the corner. Smoke out my eyes a little. I'm going back in with the transition color just to soften it up. Sorry, got a little out of focus. Okay, so now I've already cut my crease off camera with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. Now I'm gonna go in and give it a little color. I'm gonna use that same color, New Yorker, on my lid to set where I cut my crease. So now I'm going in with Liddy, and this color is definitely living up to the name because it is everything. I already primed my face off camera using the Benefits Professional Primer, and now I'm just gonna go in using my beauty blender. I'm gonna put on my foundation. This foundation is Maybelline Super Stay in the shade Coconut. I love this foundation. This is definitely one of my go-to foundations. Okay, now I'm going in with my concealer to highlight. I use two concealers, a lighter one and then a super light one. I am using my go-to concealer, Shape Tape. First one I'm going to use is Deep. Second layer I'm gonna do a lighter shade. It's gonna be Tan Sand. Okay, so now I'm gonna set everywhere where I highlighted. I'm using Shasha Cosmetic, and I'm gonna use their Buttercup powder to set. I am still using my damp beauty blender, so I'm just basically pressing it into the skin. I'm just gonna put that everywhere where I highlighted. Okay, next I'm gonna contour my face with Anastasia's foundation stick in the color Ebony. Just gonna go back in with that same 1988 and Hugo shade underneath my eyes to bring a little more smokier definition to that. Now that that has set, I'm dusting away any of the powder, and there isn't much fallout, but just a little bit fallout from the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna set my face everywhere where I contour with Fenty Mocha Mommy. Contour my nose with that color as well. Here I'm just bringing a little more definition to my contour by outlining it. Setting all over my face with Estee Lauder Double Wood Sandalwood Powder. This is definitely a go-to every day. I'm using Anastasia Blush Trio. I'm using the Berry Adore, and I'm gonna use that burgundy-ish color. And then I'm just gonna use a little sandalwood to go right over to make it look more skin-like. Now I'm going in with my favorite highlighters. This is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Global Glow. And then on top of that, I'm going to put Gold Deposit. Now I'm gonna line my lips with MAC Lip Pencil in Chestnut. This is an everyday go-to. Like, I run through this pencil like crazy. A very trusted go-to pencil for women of color. Love it. I have so many of these in my kit. I'm just gonna put a little mascara on before I put on my lashes, make them look more natural and blend with the lashes. I am using Estee Lauder Sumptuous Extreme Mascara. I'm gonna use my MINKS lashes by Anna, and this is in the style Bali. These are the 25 ml. These babies are super long. This is the first time I've ever tried anything of this nature, but honey, I must say they are everything. And it's really easy for me to just pop these on, whether they're long or short. But whew, this just really brought the look all the way together. I'm gonna go in with Dose of Color liquid lipstick in the color Sand. I love it. Yes, honey. Ooh, this look is coming together. Now I'm gonna take this off and get ready to apply my wig. I'm using that Mocha Mommy again. It wasn't coming out the way that I like because I usually use Ruby Kisses, but when I'm using my wig every day, I don't usually wear. This is just me showing you my wig. I have a band because I do wear glueless wigs all the time. I just pop it on and pull it down, adjust my band, and whoop, there you have it.